Now the topic is from change of order of integration. And the given question is double integral 0 to 1 x square to 2 minus x xy into dy dx, and hence evaluate using the change of order of integration. So first of all, we have to fix the x limits and y limits. So as per the property, either upper limit or lower limit is x, it is the given y limits. So we can consider y equal to x square to y equal to 2 minus x. And the remaining thing is x limit x is equal to 0 to 1. First of all, we have to draw the rough figure according to the given integrals, given limits. So now here x is equal to 0 to 1. uh, in this figure, the equation of x-axis y equal to 0, the equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. So what is the first value of x? X is equal to 0 to 1. How to plot x is equal to 0 to 1? This is the line. Equation of y-axis x is equal to 0 to, this is the line, approximately this is the line for x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0 to 1. And there are two more equations are given: y equal to x square, y equal to 2 minus x. So y equal to x square, which is nothing but above upwards parabola. This is y equal to x square, or x square equal to y. And another line, y equal to 2 minus x. So y equal to 2 minus x, this is the line for y equal to 2 minus x. What is y equal to 2 minus x? It is the straight line. Point of intersection is 0 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. And here this is 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 2. So this is the line touches straight line and a parabola. And after converting into change of order of integration, this we can convert into, there are two region. This is the first region and this is the second region. For example, some OAC is the first region and CAB is the second region. So in this first region here, so in this OAC, we can take it as x limits and y limits after the change of order of integration. So in this OAC, now we take the x limits and y limits. So here YAC. And what is the y limit in this? Here equation of x-axis equal to y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 to, this is the line for y equal to 1. And what is the x limit? X limit is equal to equation of y-axis x is equal to 0 to the line. This is the parabola. And what is the parabola given? X square equal to y. So what is the x? Root y. So x is equal to 0 to y. So these are the limits of the first integral. And the another one region is, another one, what is the another one region? Some CAB. So in this CAB, we can take it as the limit of x and y. So here the y limits as 1 to 2, x limit equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. So now y limit. Now here, this is the line of y equal to 1 to, this is the line for y equal to 2. So the y limit from 1 to 2. And what are the x limits? X limits is from the straight line. Already we considered for the first parabola is the first region, and in this region we have only the line. What is the given line? Y equal to 2 minus x. So y equal to 2 minus x, y equal to 2 minus x given. So we want into the x equation. So x is equal to 2 minus y. So x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 minus y. This is the another point of x. So in the second region here, in this region, x is equal to 0 to the line x is equal to 2 minus y. And what is the y limit? Y equal to 1 to y equal to 2. This is the y limit. So in this second one, and another, the question don't change anything. Whatever the question, the variable do not change xy is given, no, the same xy value, and dy by dx and dx by dy. So now we can integrate now. From the first one here it is root y. So either upper limit is y or any lower limit is y. Integrate with respect to x. So now x into dx is equal to x square by 2. Keep y and dy is the constant x square by 2 and x limits from 0 to root y. Plus here 1 to 2 into. Now the limit is y integrate with respect to x. So x into dx is equal to x square by 2. The limit from 0 to 2 minus y into dy. And now y into x is equal to root y. What is x square? Apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So root y whole square equal to y. So y into dy minus lower limit equal to 0, it is 0. Now in the second one, y into x is equal to 2 minus y. What is x square? 2 minus y the whole square. And in this 1 by 2 take the constant outside. Now we can expand and integrate again. This is y into y is equal to y square. So next you just multiply inside. This is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab minus 4y plus b square plus y square. Again multiply by y inside, 4y minus 4y square plus y cube. So now integrate with respect to y square into dy equal to y cube by 3 plus 1 by 2 into, now multiply and again integrate, 4y minus 4y square plus y cube. This we can integrate, 4 into y square by 2 minus 4 into y cube by 3 plus y cube into dy is equal to y power 4 by 4. Close the limit from 1 to 2. And now 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by 3 minus 0. And already constant 1 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into. Now here upper limit of y is equal to 2 minus lower limit of y equal to 1. So after we expanded, this is 2 square minus 1 square minus 4 by 3 into 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 1 by 4 into 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4. And here 2 square 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. And minus 4 by 3 into 2 cube. 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Plus 1 by 4 into 2 power 4 equal to 16. 16 minus 1 equal to 15. And again 1 by 2 here constant, already 1 by 6 is there, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, 3 4s are 12, after we simplify it is 3 by 8 is the answer. And one more important question is here, change of order of integration. Yes, this is the another question. Now the change of order of integration, evaluate. Integral 0 to a, integral x square by a to 2a minus x, xy into dy dx using the change of order of integration. Now first of all we have to identify what are the x limits and what are the y limits. And now here y equal to x square by a to 2a minus x, and what is the another limit? X is equal to 0 to a, because here the limit is x, so we have to take it as y limits. So that y equal to x square by a to y equal to 2a minus x, and x is equal to 0 to a. This is the outer limit is x. Now using the change of order and plot the given values, given limits in this figure. Here equation of y-axis x is equal to 0 to, here x is equal to a, and y equal to x square by a, y equal to x square by a, which is nothing but x square equal to 4y, approximately here x square equal to 4y, and what is the another value, y equal to 2a minus x, one of the straight line for y equal to 2a minus x. So in this region there are two regions, d1 and d2. So in this is the equation of x-axis, y-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. So for this region, what are the y limits? Y limits as 0 to, this is the line, y equal to 0 to, and this is the line for y equal to a. So this is the y limits of the first region d1. And in this region, what are the x limits? Here equation of x-axis, y-axis, that is x is equal to 0, x square equal to 0, x is equal to 0 to the parabola. What is the given parabola? X square equal to ay. What is x? Root of ay. So in this y, the x limits are 0 to x is equal to x square equal to ay means what is x? Root of ay. And in this another region, what are the y limits? Here it starts with here y equal to a to y equal to 2a. And what is the x limits? X is equal to 0 to the straight line. And the straight line it is given x y equal to 2a minus x. What is x? 2a minus y. So in this line, here x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2a minus y. So there are two regions, and apply the first region x limits and y limits, and the second region d2 apply this same x limits and y limits as before explained. Whatever the values are in the given figure, we can integrate now. Here the limit is y, so integrate with respect to x. So keep over y into dy is the constant, x into dx is equal to x square by 2, 0 to root of ay plus. And in this another one, here it's a typological error. This is not 0 to 1. Here it is a to 2a. A to 2a. Here y into dy is the constant because here the limit is y. So integrate with respect to x. X into dx is equal to x square by 2. Close the limit from 0 to 2a minus y. And now a y into dy, x is equal to x is equal to root of a y. What is x square? A into y. So a into y by 2 into dy plus 1 by 2 into, now not here 1 by 2, here the limits are a to 2a is the constant limit. You can take it as outside. Here y already is there. Now x is equal to 2a minus y. What is x square? 2a minus y the whole square. So 2a minus y the whole square we can expand, and 2a minus y whole square is 4a square plus y square minus 4a. Now multiply by y inside. Here this is the remaining value, and now integrate with respect to y. Y square into dy is equal to y cube by 3. The constant outside is there. It is a by 2 plus this 1 by 2, take it outside, and this we can integrate with respect to y. 4a square constant y into dy is equal to y square by 2 minus 4a into constant y square into dy equal to y cube by 3 plus y cube into dy is equal to y power 4 by 4. And now a by 2 into y cube by 3, 0 to a plus 1 by 2 into, again after apply upper limit minus lower limit and simplify, we have the answer 3a power 4 by 8. Simply it is y equal to a cube by 3, a cube into a, it is a power 4 by 2 into 3 is 6 plus, and simplify here y is equal to 2a upper limit minus y equal to a is the lower limit, and simplify 5a power 4 by 24, and after simplify both the terms it is 3a power 4 by 8 is the answer of this change of order of integration. So first here a change of order of integration is nothing but we have to identify the x limits and the y limits in this question. So first we can consider the variable limit. Here upper limit and the lower limit is variable limit is x. So if a limit is x, we have to consider, we have to take it as y limits as x square by a to 2a minus x. The another limit is the constant limit of whatever the constant limit as. This is x limit. So x is equal to 0 to a, and this is the y limit, y equal to x square by a to y equal to 2a minus x. And first we have to draw the rough diagram according to the given limit x and y. And here after we drawing the figure, we have there are two regions d1 and d2. In this first region we can take it as y limits and x limits according to this. In the second region d2 we can take it as x limits and y limits, and then after consider the two region, integrate as usual. Now you'll be getting the answer. And in this question, there are one more question is provided here. 0 to 1 integral x to 2 minus x square root of into x by root of x square plus y square into dy dx by changing the order of integration. This is for your practice question. And also the one more question is given 0 to 3 integral 1 to root of 4 minus y x plus y into dx dy. So now in this question, limit is y. So the limit is y, it is the x limit. So x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4 minus y. X is equal to root of 4 minus y. What is x square? X square equal to 4 minus. Square root will be cancelled 4 minus y. This is x. So x is equal to 1. Equation of y axis x is equal to 1 to approximately the value of here this one is x is equal to 4 minus y. And what are the y limits? Y equal to 0 to 3. Equation of x axis equal to y equal to 0 to approximately y equal to 3 is the line. Now after changing the order, we have to take the x limits and the y limits. So after the changing the order, what are the x limits here? Here x is equal to here in this x is equal to 1 to here it is. So up to here x is equal to 2. What are the y limits? Y limits here y equal to 0 to the equation of the circle, it is y equal to 4 minus x square. So and after we converting change of order, this dx into dy and dy into dx. So now the limit is x. First we have to integrate with respect to y. So x into dy equal to xy plus y into dy equal to y square by 2, 0 to 4 minus x square into dx. Now y limit to y equal to 4 minus x square. So x into 4 minus x square plus y equal to 4 minus x square. What is y square? 4 minus x the whole square divided by 2 into dx. Now this multiply inside and then integrate. This is 4x minus x cube plus this is the expansion of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So first 4 square 16 plus b square x power 4 minus 2ab minus 2 into 4 8 x square and simplify the whole thing and take the LCM and take multiply and add inside. This is the value and finally integrate with respect to x. 1 by 4 is the constant, x power 4 into dx x power 5 by 5. Next minus x cube into dx x power 4 by 4 minus 4 into x square into dx x cube by 3 plus 4 into x into dx x square by 2 plus 8 into dx is equal to 8x and simplify. We have the answer limits from 1 to 2. Upper limit x is equal to 2 minus lower limit x is equal to 1. We have the answer 241 by 8.